first sound on the ground. Now done.
Top. Low mid sound fat.
Nice and
Yeah,
fat.
yeah, man. You know, you have a component sitting there, yeah, the little brown box them. Like this.
And you're not using no tweeter right now?
Just
Ah, sound good. Sound good. Sound good, trust me.
That's how high it sound like, just like that.
Yeah, man, sound good. Man.
Sound real nice, bro.
You know that voice. What is the name? Shabba. Him there. Moving on the
Tapping sound good.
I'm a bad boy for the girls. You know that.
Tapping sound
You
good.
have the one for me. I'm in a take it out. You know that voice. What is the name? Shabba. Him there. Moving on him like monkey in a lava. I'm a bad boy for the girls. You know that. You have the one for me. I'm in a take it out. Running. You know that voice. What is the name? Shabba. Him there. Moving on him like monkey in a lava. I'm the bad boy for the girls, you know that. Me have me gun from me, and me nah take it out. When me nah take it out, too much informer. They bout me and me gun from me, and me nah take it out. When me nah take it out, too much informer. They bout and me no want shoot someone in a them mouth. Don't a jump up and teeth a jump out. Me a bust the gun and them a pick up shell. Me a fire the gun and them a pick up the shell. Me a bust the gun and them a pick up shell. Fire the gun and them a pick up the shell. Yeah. What is the name? Shabba. I'm the bad boy for the girls, you know that. I'm in when me nah take it out, too much informer. They bout me and me gun from me. And me nah take it out, when me nah take it out, too much informer. They bout and me no want shoot someone in a them mouth. Don't a jump up and teeth a jump out. Me a bust the gun and them a pick up shell. Me a fire the gun and them a pick up the shell. Me a bust the gun and them a pick up shell. Me a fire the gun and them a pick up the shell. Yeah, I'm the gun, else a guy coulda tell. With the gun, big yes, him head full as well. God go ring me name like the tongue in a apple. Me have the slaughter, the man do the mother.
I've been drinking. I get filthy when that liquor get it to me. I've been thinking. Why can't I keep my fingers off it, baby? I want you. Why can't I keep my fingers off it, baby? I want you. Cigars on ice. Feeling like an animal with these cameras all in my grill. Flashing lights. You got me pity, baby. I want you. Can't keep your eyes off my baby. I want you. True. Me got to. Réfléchis, ton cas chanter l'amour. Qui à la guerre, mais c'est les mains oubliées. Mais si pour ma vie, l'amour passé par arrêter. Il était belle comme un conscient, mais bon, pour les pas de fête pour moi. Alikita. C'est la force, until the sin follows you with me and my girl. Say it with us, get out, baby, inside. Girl, I've been drifting on the
Acid sound, background sound, good.
I just can't erase all these sad memories. Girl, I've been drifting all alone, they say. That's my feeling. I remain your secret admirer. It's just a feeling. Yes, it's just a feeling. Hello, Max. Chip, 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 chip. Wake up this morning. Walk down the road.
We just need that heavy beat bass. You gotta give me well, that's the man's sound.
It's just a feeling. Yes, it's just a feeling. Hello, Max Romeo. Chip, 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 chip. Wake up this morning. Life is a drag. Walk down the road. Chip, chip. Dressed in my rags. No need to boast. Ain't got nothing to brag.
This one.
But I give praises for the little that I
got a lot
have.
of
It's
money
just
in
a
this
fee. It's just
That part, I like that.
That's just
It's just missing.
First choice, I tell you. Original is original, y'all. Man called Orison, alongside a man called Lone Ranger, ain't no stranger. Musical shot attack without bleeding over track. Tell about it. What a big you pardon a race. What did you say, my brother? Do it!
you gave me love.
listen to the music of song.
I like it. When we play with yellow, that's the kind of thing I was playing. When my dog gets so like Stop holding back.
I'm here, I'm here.
He probably made 2 of them. That's what he does. How much of them I play straight? 2 of them, right? 2 bass I play, right?
Next song. On the line. Next song.
That was the big bad enforcer sound. I played 2 box. I cheat the crowd. Toxic vibe on the ground. Toxic vibe sound, bad sound.
Toxic vibe sound a killer. Toxic vibe sound a killer.
Here is Cinnamon from your device. You know some critical represent for toxic vibe sound. Toxic vibe sound. Here is the toxic vibe sound. Toxic vibe sound.
Toxic vibes. Toxic vibes.
Here is some toxic vibes. Toxic vibes.
Bad sound, bad sound. Bad sound. Love the tapping. I hear the bass now, but the tapping up. Tapping up, where?
I hear everything in a unit.
Yeah, man, the bad sound. Tapping there, wheel. Clean like a whistle.
Look, that there's an orange direct. Everything green. Sound play good.
Bad sound.
Kaboom! DJ Sniper!
Toxic vibe, Virginia sound. Bad sound. Bad sound.
Yeah.
Toxic vibes on a killer. Toxic vibes on a killer. Toxic vibes on a killer.
Well, howdy! It's New Merciless representing
something, come here. And a 3 bakes alone can make sound slap. Come look when I piece of equipment there. And Brazil make. Come look here. Nah, Brazil make. Come here. Now people don't know about it. Alright.
Yeah, man, so a toxic vibe, son. Toxic vibe, son. Toxic vibe, son. Toxic vibe, son.
Bossa egg now. Bossa egg now. Bossa egg now.
Yeah, man, so the toxic vibe, son. Toxic vibe, son. Toxic vibe, son.
Toxic vibe sound. Bossa egg now. Bossa egg now. Bossa egg now.
Bossa egg now.
Toxic vibe sound a killer, killer. Toxic vibe sound a killer, killer. Toxic vibe sound a killer, killer. Toxic vibe sound a killer, killer.
Virginia. Bad song.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, take out some of the Barry White, something there. Little bit more tweet or little bit more mids. Take out some of the bass off my mic. Cause I have so much bass in my voice. Sound like me have an erector scale. Sound like me have a storm. Sound like me have a 204. Sound like me have Cosmo. You know? Yeah, man. A Barry White sing on this. Every man, girl gone. Yes. Yes. Test. Yeah. Yeah. I like the mic, yeah. The yo bounce from left to right. I think boss a shot could I do that. I like the mic, yeah, it bounce from full stereo. How to win us out there, paper. Yeah.
Toxic vibe sound. Bossa head now. Bossa head now.
When he comes to this, when he's coming from out of Athens, go cook a basket. Cause it'll leave a snow. Right. Cause it'll leave a snow. Boom! Let me tell you about a girl I know. Cause she's my baby and she lives next door. Now big no movie when the sun comes down. She gives me coffee in my favorite cup. Oh no. Oh no, no, I would never let her go.
I can't saltfish. you know, say me I wait before anybody else, you know. Hatta Vibe song.
The third one in the middle is not plugged up. Look, go over there and look. That was the one that was humming.
Yeah, just smile for me and let the day begin. You are the sunshine that lights my heart within, yeah. And I know that you're an angel in the sky. Come take my hands and together we will fly on the wings of love. Only the two of us together flying high on the wings of love. Only the two of us together.
Hatta Vibe song out of Orlando. Bobby New York. Yeah, so
One love song.
yeah.
Yeah, just smile for me and let the day begin.
Fucking studio
You
song.
are the sunshine.
Last song up on the ground. Respect.
Millionaire! What about the boss? How about millionaire?
Yeah,
Why, you see when me get turned millionaire? Just me, you know. And walk through one of them there.
Yeah, you man. Hatta Vibes out of Orlando. All powered, self-powered.
One day, everything is
Self-powered.
yeah.
Everything is self-powered.
So let me ask you something now. So, like the power now, so them separate inside and the back. Them have
Yeah, man, them have grass over everything.
Darling, you
them all live for fucking loud.
send me. I know that you send me. Darling, you send me. Honest you do, honest you do, honest you do.
Next sound.
Patrick Digital over there. Patrick. Put it right on top.
Strangest feeling I'm feeling, but your love we will always believe in. Though you may think my faith is in vain, till Shiloh we chant Rastafari's name. It's so good, praise the Most High God every day, with your whole heart desire. Lift them high, holy, 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 holy Mount Zion, Lord, let's sing.
But some man have got to play catch up. Just one man will wait for to get some power, and then we all turn on and we kick it off 2 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, we around. All the chef left the kitchen, come out here, so that's some music chef. Make sure the chicken don't burn up, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man, I love the look.
Make sure the pork season.
Yeah. You like to eat your pork season?
I was saying.
Your vibe say love to eat for your pork season, sir. Nothing wrong with that, pure vibe. You have to face it sometime before you can taste it.
Yes. When you say you have to face something, boss?
Yeah, man, sometimes you have to face it, man. When them call that moment you have cards. Yeah. One thing we know, you see the song and name Toxic Vibes. I got to interview him a little more, and find out where the name they come from. I don't like the promotion, yeah. Because if Trump get the flyer, we get fucked. Toxic Vibes and acid. Too wicked something, man. I pay dangerous people around to them, man. You know. But at least we have enforcer to enforce the peace. Yeah. Go play one song. Play a song now.
You sometimes I'm loving you. You know I can't pretend. You have given me all you got, but most of the time I would selfishly pretend. Have you ever cared about someone, baby, and know that a person really cares about you?
Oh, Shakin Studio. You see that's what I like about Shakin, you know. Shakin's the father Lexus. We now play no ketchup, you know. Alright, so we can't play on the bed pan Shakin right now. He entered the game. Take it away.
Shakin ready?
He might lead enough generation. All the big generation. In a real life, him bad. Yeah, man, him good, man. Him know what him do. He not guess it, you know. Shakin stewed up on the ground. Shakin Stewart, superstar. Show up to the thing as like a Michael Jackson.
Hey, nobody will let me call it tomorrow. Go here, go. You now catch over here.
I keep secret.
Yo, I saw you open fee money now.
No, mine was fully open, remember?
You gatekeeping, bro. No, you if bring him down, I said, no, look at all this stuff.
Nah, man, him know what happened. You know no disrespect. You realize he laugh and move?
You sound like something I can't say. You hear that? Something out of here.
That's that one right there. Definitely out of fees. That one, there's one we can't do. There. But in a real life, you're not supposed to have that many speakers together like that. You're supposed to separate them.
One wire is out of phase.
Yeah.
Because you can hear one and the other one, the bass go down.
Yeah, you can hear. You can't hear Byron laugh, man. Anyway, don't bother me. You hear that laugh, that signature. go fix it. You have time to fix it. Shocking studio to the world. Shocking, dude.
Father was don't say a word with General. Everything good. I take off the turban, you know what I'm saying? Father Lexus on the ground. Everything neutral. So right now, we'll test another sound and it's go until 2 o'clock and then we kick it off. We're kicking it off. Right? So test.
What's the name of the song?
Superstar.
Orlando song, Superstar.
Special dedicated to all the people who live in the house.
And the real color song.
Superstar soul out the Orlando. Bad song. Hey, show me the one side of
So let's take friends over there and tune that Charlie so play.
the people in my ear.
And I jump it up right now. Fuck it up right now. You can't hear it.
Lessons always.
Superstar on it. Alright. It's safe to say we can about to start right now. What? No man, I'm good man. Hear me out you now. Kindly, housekeeping. Gonna get these vehicles off the grass or at a proper location. Please, hold it man, hold it. Alright? I'm asking all the sound owners and the selectors, we know what time of day it is. See, we're talking about level of respect, with respect and with respect, and at the same time a little humor. We start exactly at 2 o'clock. Right now, it's 7 minutes to 2. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give each sound man one song, then we start the ball roll with Toxic Vibes. So Toxic Vibes play one song. Make sure it's you're on par.
Bossa Air now.
Superstar. Play one song now, please. Play a song, please.
I don't so styling. I don't so styling. All your strings are sounding not too loud. All your strings are sounding not too loud. Get it wrong, get them misses love wrong. Get it wrong, get them misses love wrong. I saw your strings are sounding not too loud. I saw your strings are sounding not too loud. Oh yeah, yes. Little love for that they put on Twitter. Little love for that they put on Twitter. I make it sound like it's sweeter. I make it sound like it's sweeter. I make it. Little love for that.
Alright. Acid, play a song, please. All right. No limit.
Board box and play box. Board box them bad.
Sorry. Chuck it.
From the start, I knew you were mine. You're so fine, I cannot deny it. You're like a cherry on the tree. I swear I'll pick you up. You're so sweet. Sweet baby, you're my sugar baby. I want you to know that. Sweet baby, whoa, you're my sugar baby. My love for you, I cannot deny. It's burning inside, I just can't hide. First time I saw you, girl, I fell for you. I was really blue.
You already. Yeah, next song.
Are you just don't play? Okay.
Play already. You play. Go back that way.
No, sir. Just say, you know, they save the best for last, so hold on. Just hold on a little. Well, he claims the odds he's going to play the more money tonight, but Shakin has something for you. Anyway, are we ready? Take it away, Toxic. 20 minutes.
Become yourself DJ Sniper to the world. 007, that's right. This is Toxic Sound. All Richmond, Virginia. Beach, big up. P-Town, Newport News, and the whole crew. Down there, I smart for them case. My selector. Toxic Sound now play, hey, now. This is the champion. Hey, sound boy. Toxic Sound to play. And it's true, boy. You better hear what DJ Sniper say. Because you get to everything, jump with your gun. Soon one day, your funny talk a done. Going around making disturbance. Going around giving Toxic Sound my name. No sound boy, I better be cool. Cause if you try to test the champion sound, you're going to end up like a fool. Toxic Sound, the real sound. Kill them little German sound boy, run them out in town. Toxic on the road, how you man.
Toxic vibes and general sound. Whoa, general. I'm Mr. General. Toxic vibes and the general. We sound boy general. Aye, general. Toxic vibes and the general. We sound boy general. General. I'm Mr. General. Toxic vibes are the general. We sound boy general. Aye, general. Toxic vibes are the general. We sound boy
2,000 years without tears. But the morning comes, say some sound boy running for a couple toxic vibes. Toxic vibes on a killer. Toxic vibes on a killer. Sound come to tell. Toxic. This is sound, yeah, it's hit. Toxic vibes, standing boy. Guess who's killing another sound? Toxic vibes.
Yeah, that's the toxic vibes.
Obviously, toxic vibes sound come to test. Toxic. This is sound, yeah, it's hit. Toxic vibes, standing boy. Guess who's killing another sound? Toxic vibes.
Yeah, that's the toxic vibes.
Guess who's killing another sound? Toxic vibes. Oh, I can see you coming from studio with some dubplate and the selector coming over the hills with some brand new for you. Sing down for that beats when I ramp with a jump and sound. So don't book and rule. So don't book and rule.
You put Virginia Lina Rocky. Oh no. Toxic vibe, I made a sound boy. Oh yeah. From day to day, toxic vibe play. We're taking all the sound while life away. I'll when some jump and try and say, like bombing the society. You put Virginia Lina Rocky. Oh no. Toxic vibe, I made a sound boy. Oh yeah. Toxic vibe play. We're taking all sound while life away. I'll make some jump and try and say, like bombing the society. But they don't know what it's like. Toxic vibe and kill sound a day. Lord, murder them all night. Toxic vibe, yes, a real killer sound. We murder sound like them no matter. A toxic vibe where the cry. We murder jump and sound boy proper. Yeah. On and on toxic vibe play. We kill all 10 sound every day.
Let me attack him. Watch your time, watch your time.
Check. Yo. Listen to me. Oh, every sound where they are, pay attention. Every sound where they are, every critics, pay attention. The contract that we have for these people here, the police them about to start walkthrough, one outside, two undercover inside. Everybody pay attention. The tent right there, so go over there and get your wristband. Everybody that's in here got the insurance and all these things. We do it by the book. Everybody go over the tent right over there, so I'm asking everybody, can who don't have on a wristband, have to go take away yourself. And we don't want that. Because them there for we. See? So let's work with it. I don't care if you're a Jamaican, American, Jamaican. Please, everybody, go and get your wristband by the tent. Please.
I've been telling them early.
Tracy doing the same thing.
Peer Vibes is an alien, so he can't go up in that space, so him not really. So, please, I'm asking everybody go over there. Everybody that's in here, including me. Everybody have to go over there. There's insurance liability. So please, I'm asking everybody to cooperate. If you're going to stay in here, get your wristband. Work with the thing. Down to the arms them, I go get a wristband. You see it? Everybody. Down to point blank. Please remove from around the turntable toxic. Mr. Pepper, wanna go there, I go get to the band and forward. See it, so I don't want no man tap on Facebook. Boy, the police boy, them say me have to leave. Go get your wristband. Please and thanks. Please, new wave, take out your note of your pocket, you know better. Go over there, go get your wristband. A tall friend with a cup. Sequence, go over there, go get your wristband and follow. Sequence family good enough. The owner for the sound in that blue shirt, sit up and then hammock. When I talk, you have a ginger beer between your leg. Then I ask you, go over there and just get your wristband. Good. One, just arrived. Mr. Lexus. We'll make sure.
What they want to see. Since you went away, every day is just a cloudy day. Oh, yeah. I need you, baby.
Lord,
Since you went
check out this. And I have this song. Check out this. Little bit lower. But I feel like you can't fight me with your bass. Florida in there. One of them sound here are one back. So me will advise you. Just go and play low mid. And you see third round. And the grass and then everyone go dead. Push up again.
Since you went away, every day is just a cloudy day. Now, if it's the rain from the sky, just a light falling down my face.
Bad sound. Bad blood. The rumble.
value. Everything has its price. All my assets, obligations just for you. 'Cause I'm committed to keeping this love alive. I'm committed, staying in love with you. 'Cause I'm committed to keeping this love alive. I'm committed, staying in love with you.
This one is for my mama. Anywhere you are, I love you. So are you ready? See if I do. Are you ready? Come on. Early one Sunday morning. Breakfast was on the table. There was no time. Are you ready? Come on. Early one Sunday morning. Breakfast was on the table. There was no time to eat. She said to me, boy, hurry to Sunday school. Filled with the love of glory. We learned the old story. She always had a dream, just like the things this troubled world can bring. Oh, say, hey, don't you know we love you, sweet? Say, hey, no matter what you sweet, say, living in the past, sometimes it seems so funny. This is DJ Sniper. Baby, you and I can be more than friends. Just like Charles played you, I'll stick with you to the end. Baby, you and I can be more than friends. Just like Charles played you, I'll stick with you to the end. Please don't ever tell me no. Oh, such a teaser. Oh, baby, but I got you in my arms. I've got you under my skin. So won't you give it to this love that I'm feeling, baby? I've got you under my skin. So won't you give it to this love?
Bad sound on the ground.
Right now.
Bad sound, bad sound.
Noah.
Wicked sound.
Noah. Line up some garbage back, man, please. The things on the ground, you don't look proper, you know what I'm saying? Alright now. No. I see there. Are you the boss, you know? But right now, my show, you know. No intermission when the sound them a play. Anything you have to say, you say it at the end of the 20 or the 25 minutes. See? Because premature ejaculation doesn't bring baby. I don't want to discourage no man. Alright? So right now, the bad sound. The bad sound. Superstar sound. 20 minutes. Take it away.
Just to be by her side, and whosoever tried to take the love that's mine, I'll never say no other word, no other word. Just to be by her side, and whosoever tried to take the love that's mine, I'll never say no other word, no other word. Want me around. She's got something to hide. I think she wants a clown, someone to take for a ride. But I keep telling her I'm too experienced to be taking for a stroll. Too experienced for someone to rock and roll. To be taking for a ride, and I know it's not my foolish pride. She hates the sight of me because that turned her off her down. She's always saying we were meant to be. Somehow she thought I'd be her plan. This is what I said. I'm too experienced to be taking for a stroll. Too experienced for someone to rock and roll. You dance, if I asked you to dance, or would you run and never look back? Would you cry if you saw me crying? Would you save my soul tonight? Would you tremble if I touch your lips? Or would you laugh? Oh, please tell me this. Would you die for the one you love? Or need your arms tonight? I can be your hero, baby. Well, yeah. today, not the utterance of speed. Wait until night, sure enough. There is no voice that is not heard. Love Jaja in your soul. It is better dress well. You have to dress well.
She passes by, she always finds herself with another guy. She even goes far to say that I'm her superstar. But girl, oh girl, I'm not a substitute lover. Oh no, oh girl, don't take me for the substitute lover. Oh no, whenever I call you on the telephone, there's someone to say not at home. Girl, you always have an alibi. It seems to me you have another side of me. I can feel you moving away, baby. I can feel you moving away. Just none of them. Some are top, but even them out to call.
Yo, they find it. They find it right now.
But just none of them. Some are top, but even them out to call. But some too hypocritical. Who the chat we get away with? Cause we no response, we no passion, and we not take that much chance. I am a man with another ambition, and that's a fact. Me no deal with them, with no low mind chat. Me no deal with them, no, or me no deal with that scene. So, some are talking about friend, but not just none of them. Some are talk about you and them out to follow, but some do people put the love is a blessing that we should all share. Love is the reason why we are here. Without love, we are nothing, my friend. Better check yourself before you take a life, my friend. It's so easy to fall from grace. It's so hard to keep up with that race. Show me some kind of sign, so I will stay in your mind. Yes, I wanna know what time it really is. Oh, girl, love me tonight. Whoa, love me all night. I wanna know what you're thinking. Oh, baby, you're just planning. Yes, ready the life for us to.
Fully loaded. You know what I say? Remember, if you don't get an armband, please go to the tent over there and get an armband, because a part of the contractual agreement, everybody have to have an armband to be standing here, and we don't want to embarrass nobody and the police come by and push you out. So please go over the tent, support the cause. You know what I say? You good, brother? Alright, with no further ado, I bring to you the world sound, Enforcer sound, 20 minutes on it.
Well, it's a black, the light is a brown. Welcome, 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 welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. From the dark is a black, the light is a brown. Welcome.
quad easy.
That's why. That's all I got.
It's bad. But you only have 4 quads.
Yeah.
So it's the same amount of.
I'm not in this world to live up to your expectation. I'm not in this world to live up to your expectations. Neither are you here to live up to mine. Yeah. I don't owe no one, no obligation. No one owes me none, so everything is fine. I said I am that I am. 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 I am that I am.
Milky Way, fancy blended. All the bells that I know can do. I'm only able to mention and make it seem that's a love. True love is hard to find. They say
Cause enough people are engine farm. They are engineer. Verse selector. Some boy have to take with themselves. Send it again. And we say world sound enforcer. And we not take. But not talk. Send it. So we end it.
I tell you, enforcer the world song. If you just join us, I want to say a special good afternoon, good morning, good night, and welcome to Sound System Culture. Yeah, inside the house tonight we have, what I'm saying, 2, 4, 6, 8 of the bodies with no apology. Earlier on, we heard from Toxic Vibes. Word from Superstar, word from Enforcer. So right now we're bringing the acid zone with DJ now up on the control. Take it away.
You know, Sir Ramin Berg represent for Acid Sound.
Acid, you know, when you talk about acid, you talk about something that burns from even the flesh through the bone.
Don't listen to lies. Oh, baby. Friends told you so much lies about me that I'm fertilized.
You want him spoil it?
Bang, 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 bang.
You want him spoil it?
Yo, that man a weird man, round to.
I'm spoil, you want to spoil it also. No one on the Twitter. Yo, hear me? Some horns can play Twitter. Not all horns. If you have the right horn, you're good. Yeah, that's good. You don't need no Twitter on that. You have the right horn.
Bangkok, you know. Cause we
Remain Virgo represent for acid song.
Now hear this true boy, I want you to put it Bangkok, you know. Cause we
now some boy wanna live bad and this original bad thing, yeah. I tell a man, super see again. Yeah, me. Say me a bad boy from me the Jamaica. Oh, she don't know gonna for no know the answer. Me a bad boy from me the Jamaica. Oh, she don't know gonna for no know the answer. Super see a bad boy from him the Jamaica. How simple as just see me a bad murderer. Me no
working hours. What's going on, brother? Pay attention. How much light the amps are blink? Pay attention.
That's a speaker, right? No, speaker. And tune it. No matter how much you do it.
Noah. Noah. Noah.
Yeah, yo, Lord engineer alone, and the young youth, and the you again. And them. We never say it wrong, you know. You have to leave alone. And that's why we never say it wrong. Come on, kick, man.
One already.
Yes.
Hey, hey, hey. Yes, sir. Yeah.
When you come outside, tell them say.
World of reggae music on the play.
When the sound sounds good, what we do?
Keep it rocking with me, dada.
Yeah. All right, better know, yeah.
World of reggae music on the
Bam one to the world. Action.
Now just be nice and hold your space. I won't entertain no more disgrace.
What's it claim, boy?
It's late and it's creepy. There's monsters in my head. They're making me think about things certain people that might have said. When my back is turned and I come out unlike me, you all pretend that I am the monster and it's me inside your head.
war, everybody. Everybody I war me cause them want be smutty. When I 5 years ago me did a war, everybody. Everybody I war me cause them want be smutty. When I worry, I'm a sign a war deal. Buy a war car with couple war wheel. Drive go a restaurant, consume a war meal. War man, animal and all baby. War day, me did a fi war one lady. She said, the baby cute and not the same rascal. Baby, puke on me, war suit. Me stay with the steel in me hand. Like Logan. Mix some war tune with me. One already. Yeah, y'all know what it is. Katy Perry, Juicy J. Let's rage.
To go.
I've been drinking. I get filthy when they look to give it to me. I've been thinking. Why can't I keep my fingers off it, baby? I want you.
Yeah. Pure vibes, we don't really have self.
Man, right there.
I won't make it wrong.
Fred Shades in the house.
Alright. So right now the next song on board, Hatta Vibes. You have 20 minutes. Remember guys, gentlemen and ladies, sound test is over. Play some songs for the people then. Alright? Like we come full joy with self. Sound test is over. Alright? So take it away, Hatta.
You hear me now? I mean, you say you want me dance. What am I think? What am I drink? When he come, the musical thing can't sound a tune up. Cause some boy talk about them full of tune and them sound one tune up. The king, the bad sound, yo. The king, the bad sound, yo. Come make me tune up with sound in a style. Big sound turn on and promoter start smile. To all the songs try you hear it more than a mile. Just wait till later when the girl them get wild. Yeah, me tell you something, the back step take off like truck and the wire them run. The back step pack up and it. Guess what I go on now? The engineer ready to test out that big sound. Let me tell you what I go on right. Some sound on the big, some of them are the sweet pepper, them not hot. Let me tell you what I go on, you send to this event. Alright. Mr. JPS give tax the current alright. So you ever go on, you ever test the frequency of one, you know. You ever test the tweeter first, got some sounds to them sweet, but that sound is sweeter. So I am engineer, touch the tweeter. Come let me tell you what I want. That sound of the body stinky in the land.
engineer, come tune up the hand. Engineer, drive back your bone and let your hand flow. Trenching a song go ahead for me. And they no hear me, know me yet. Everything well plugged in and everything well select. Son boy, fix your face. You know see the champion son set the pace. Just wait until we turn on the bass. Blood pressure, engineer and put them at them. Sell liquor them a mash up under the bar. Now big up engineer, lock off the bass right. Make me try by the top and see if everything in the all. The promoter impress. One on the engineer, make me swing it to the left. Well, everything I play right. Well, engineer, fling it up and pan it right. Lord Clot, what a song, boy. And if we tell you, listen. Sit off and run, yeah. Here we go again. Hey, how it's about to feel hot, hot, hot. Well strong, so open up for the place now flag. Beware, son boy, don't attack, I'm not no fear. No, hey, it's a job to see. Some fool come and up themselves. We kill them easily. And got to work up yourself. At a vibe sound, free the youths off the shelf. Hardcore music, good for your head. So don't tell them what they try to diss the pattern. I need you damage them or the mission.
sun come shining down on we Hatta Vibes. Like a blessing above and it's bringing out the best in we. Like a guiding light and it's lighting up the dance for we. Though the sound they may fight you, I know they are no threat too deep, but we thank you for all that you have done for we. Thank you. Thanks to me, say Hatta Vibes again. life. Hatta vibes I play. There's a special moment hanging in the air. So when you hear the Hatta vibes sound I play, somewhere run away. And when you hear Hatta vibes it I play, you won't live a night. So take a double chablis. We had a stranger in the night. Hatta vibes you was screechy up to out some somewhere light. And we don't care about your children or your wife. Hatta vibes accuse some sound tonight. Kill them tonight. Here we got the action, full satisfaction. Move them if we kill them, not the right direction. When we kill people, we do that simple. Say Hatta vibes don't do love.
I've seen the snow-white mountains of Alaska. I've sailed along the rivers of Peru. I've seen the world and all its 7 wonders. Hatta vibes, I've never heard a sound play like you.
Nowhere in the world.
I listen to the great tones of play, and I listen to Kilimanjaro every day. I've been to London and I've listened to David Radigan. Hatta vibes, I've never heard a sound play like you. I've gazed at the white cliffs of Dover. There is not a place I've seen before.
Never see so many people beat and dance so convenient. To them is the Hatta vibes by the scene. Hatta vibes in combination,
Hatta vibes are gonna murder you. There is not a damn thing you can do. Back off your jump and sound and lead away. Watch your Hatta vibes kill you. You and the whole of your crew. We mash down your jump and sound, make it start